So my next step is going to be creating the color palette, inserting it into the document, and then also inserting the supporting imagery and pictures that will go with this mood board. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use a color palette that's already pre-existing, and you could use any kind of color palette you want to. A lot of times I get my color palettes from Pinterest, and I'll use those as inspiration. But I actually have one already that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to press Control D and place a picture. And I'm basically going to use this color palette here. So how I do that is, again, these boxes here on the bottom are where I'm going to actually place my colors. And I'm going to very simply just select one of the frames. And then you can either go here to the Eyedropper tool and click there, or press I on the keyboard. And that will select the Eyedropper tool. I just want to make sure too that over here for the swatches that the fill is placed on top, and this will ensure that when you click on the color with your eyedropper that it will fill in the box with the fill color, and that's exactly what I want. So I'm going to press V to return to the V tool, selection tool, and then I'm going to press I again to get the eyedropper. Since I have the first color, now I'm going to do the same thing for the other colors. So I'll select the next box, press I for the eyedropper tool, and click on the color, and now I'll just keep going. Now I have all of my colors, and I'm just going to press W so I can get a preview of what that looks like. So you can see here that I have my colors placed. I am going to actually create the swatches for this document. So I can go here to the tool panel and click on swatches. And if you don't have this over here, then you can go to Window, up to Color, and then click on Swatches. So this swatch is already selected, but what I'm going to do before that is I'm just going to delete all these other colors I'm not going to use. Okay. Okay, now that's reselected. I'm going to save this swatch, and to do that, I'm just going to have it selected. I'm going to go to the flyout menu, and then click on New Color Swatch, and then click on Add. And it's automatically added. And it should be here in the color swatches. Perfect. So now I'm going to do that with the other colors as well. Okay, so now as you can see, all of my color swatches are now set in place. And I'm not crazy about the way these two look, so I'm actually going to switch them around. And I'm going to move this one here, this kind of lighter, kind of natural bone color. And I'm going to move this darker, kind of like a warm gray color over. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So now I've got my swatches. Now I'm going to go ahead and place some images. And it's very, very simple to do. If you're familiar with InDesign, then you're familiar with how to place images. But if you're not, just follow along. So what I'm going to do here is there's different ways that you can do this. I'll just demonstrate a couple different ways. I'm going to select this box here, and I'm going to either hit Control D to place, or you can go to File and Place. And then just navigate my way to the images that I would like to use. And let's see, let's try this one here. And then basically what you're doing now is you're just going to be finding images that work with the color scheme that you have chosen for your mood board. Now another way is, again, pressing Control D or going to File and Place. Okay. And then you're just going to keep going, so on and so forth. So another way to place an image besides either hitting Control D on the keyboard or going to File and Place, you could have another window open. So say that you have your Windows Explorer window open and is in the file that you wanted to use. I have here the frame that I have selected, and what I can do is simply just pick an image and just click and drag it over, and it will place directly inside of the frame. Another way that you can do this, if you have InDesign, then you also have Bridge as well. And Bridge is just a really nice file manager created by Adobe that works seamlessly with all Adobe products. And you can also use the file manager Bridge the same way that you can use your Windows Explorer. So I have Bridge open, and as I said, you can fill this in the same type of way as you would with Windows Explorer. You simply will go over here and choose the rectangle or choose a frame that you want to fill in, go to Bridge, and then place the file where you want it to go. And perfect. So those are all the different ways that you can add images to your mood board. Hey guys, just one more thing. If you haven't already, you need to sign up to become a Diva VIP member. What is a VIP member? Well, with Diva VIP membership, you're going to get exclusive offers, discounts, and sneak peeks into my new products at Digital Diva Design. And if you sign up, you will get an instant 20% savings off of your next order or your first order from my shop. Yes, that's right. I have a shop with tons of templates and everything for your designing needs. And I'm adding new templates and new things daily. So whether it's business cards, whether it's logo and branding, if you need InDesign templates, I've got them. And if you need Illustrator designs, I've got those as well. So please come on over and sign up. It is so easy. All you have to do is just enter in your name and your email. And you are good to go. Sign on up for the Diva VIP membership. And go ahead and click on this coupon to get your 20% off savings from your next order at Digital Diva Design. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and sign up. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.